Iya, mitra olahraga AJB Arena dimanapun saat ini Anda berada. Kembali kita akan sama-sama ke ring arena tinju, di mana kita akan saksikan bersama-sama duel antara petinju Indonesia Ongen Ferdinandes berhadapan dengan Chairo Girods atau Waikato Warrior, petinju asal Selandia Baru. Nah, kedua petinju ini nampaknya sama-sama memiliki badan bertato. Namun petinju Indonesia yang berambut gondrong dikuncir, sedangkan petinju Selandia Baru dengan berambut jambul pirang kuning emas. Ronde pertama kedua petinju terlihat saling menjaga jarak dengan saling mengandalkan jab-jab. Belum ada pukulan yang berarti bagi kedua petinju.
George, he does like to model his style a little bit on Floyd Mayweather. You can see his shoulder rolls, has the right hand up high. Then a couple of rights to the body. Then scuttled his way out of trouble.
Meledek tadi Ferdinandes sesaat sebelum bel berbunyi.
And round 2 of 10 about to get underway. Chairo George.
Nah, kemudian di ronde yang kedua dan 3 terlihat petinju Selandia Baru langsung mendahului jab. Sedikit agresif Chairo Girods. Berulang kali ini Chairo Girods membongkar pertahanan Ferdinandes.
Doesn't want to get counted over the top.
Namun petinju Indonesia masih bagus dalam pertahanan. Bahkan jab kerasnya ini mampu mengenai telak.
But Fernandes, that's some good work there, making George pay for missing. But earlier, that nice little work from George, just that step right hand. But earlier, just those signs of frustration. And there, just throw it straight and then hook it straight over the next shot. That's a nice straight left, but it was taken on the glove.
Chairo George stepping over with the right hand.
Not able to land anything clean. Welterweight title on the line.
Di ronde yang keempat, kedua petinju mulai bermain agresif. Beberapa kali nampak keduanya ini saling melancarkan pukulan-pukulannya. Dan akhirnya ada jab keras yang harus diterima oleh petinju Selandia. Namun keduanya kemudian harus terjatuh setelah mengadakan dorongan.
But that was one of the most significant shots of the fight. He's just started to get onto a little bit of a rhythm with Chairo George, catching him coming in. George just needs to perhaps fake, and he did there. Just a little bit of faking, setting him up before he charges.
Some of these very close nip and tuck rounds. This is round 5, the halfway mark of this title fight.
Nah, kemudian di ronde yang kelima, Ongen Ferdinandes menerima pukulan terlalu bawah. Namun wasit tak menganggapnya dan terus untuk melakukan duel.
Fernandes is, running out of fuel. He keeps coming back, and then George will come on and land some good shots and do some very nice things.
Oh, good little left hook there. Might have wobbled Fernandes. He's just getting frustrated and losing a little bit of balance there. He's trying to get the forearm engaged there. Both boys getting frustrated.
Kemudian di detik-detik terakhir, Ferdinandes ini harus menerima potongan angka. Namun petinju Indonesia tak terima dengan keputusan wasit tersebut dan terus melakukan aksi protes.
And this is what you're talking about earlier, Mike. This could cost people fights.
Well, that round, if George took it, will become a 10-8 round, and Ferdinandes needs to be very careful here. He doesn't get himself disqualified. Corner needs to get his man
in there, but a lot of that was to do with who instigated the clinching in the first place.
It's credit to George for keeping his composure. He's here to win the fight, so he's not looking.
Di ronde yang ke-6, begitu bel berbunyi, pukulan lurus mendarat di wajah Chairo Girods.
Let's see what.
Pretty critical for him to keep composure. That's good work off his lead hand. Looks highly motivated now, and I'm surprised he doesn't.
Tak lama kemudian petinju Selandia Baru terjatuh.
Well, George pulled out of it. That's a little counter right hook.
Namun itu bukan karena pukulan.
Well,
Banyak pukulan-pukulan lurus Ferdinandes yang mendarat di ronde ini hingga terlihat petinju Selandia Baru ini sudah mengalami luka di bagian hidung. Terlihat sedikit berdarah.
Where Stevie Ferdinandes, he's working very well.
that lead hand of his, he's landed that again. When he gets that lead hand going, he actually looks to have a bit of acid on it. Cairo George will need to go back and reevaluate. That point coming off has really stung Ferdinandes into life. And he's got no problem leaning down on the head of Cairo George.
Wonders for his confidence, and definitely a Ferdinandes fan.
Ferdinandes. And remembering this is a 10-round fight, Chad. Yeah, well, if he can just channel it like he did in that 6th round.
Di ronde yang ke-7, kedua petinju nampak sudah mulai mengendur serangannya. Beberapa kali pukulan-pukulannya ini tak terlalu mengenai sasaran dengan baik hingga pada akhirnya di ronde ke-8.
Tending to his range, he's not being defensively. From your point of view, how do you solve the riddle that is very, very long rangey?
On Fernandes, just a matter of.
Nah, di sini kembali kedua petinju harus terjatuh karena aksi saling dorong.
Frustrated now. George throwing up his hands in annoyance.
Just got control of the distance there. It's better work from Cairo George. That round's going to be harder to score. I still favour Ferdinandes.
Absolutely critical.
Kemudian di ronde yang ke-9, Ferdinandes makin menguasai jalannya laga.
Round 9 of 10, Cairo George. Red, yellow and black, Stevie Ferdinandes.
Nice little counter right hook there. Answered in kind by George. These guys just going punch for punch at the moment. That's beautiful work there from Ferdinandes.
Di sini sedikit ada aksi meledek Ferdinandes.
You know what it is, Chad? It's the southpaw solution, isn't it?
Oh, definitely.
Solving the puzzle.
Terjatuh tadi petinju Selandia Baru, tapi wasit melihatnya ini bukan akibat pukulan.
In the fight. Earlier on, George was landing punches and bunches and able to flow with his hands. Not pretty to watch, but it's intriguing. Nice head movement there from Cairo George.
Lagi-lagi kali ini keduanya saling mengeluarkan gayanya masing-masing.
Well, plenty of entertainment. The crowd are enjoying it. Both boys showing a clean pair of heels. Got a big job to do now. Everything on the line. 10th and final round. This is the IBO Asia Pacific welterweight strap.
Kemudian di ronde yang terakhir, kedua petinju sudah banyak melakukan clinch karena tenaga sudah semakin terkuras habis.
Well, this is such a hard round to score, Chad. Both of these.
Namun di detik-detik akhir ronde terakhir, keduanya malah melihatkan aksi mengangkat tangan.
I think George might think he's.
Dan terdengarnya bel berbunyi, petinju Indonesia malah mengangkat wasit. Dengan berakhirnya laga selama 10 ronde, petinju Indonesia, Stevie Ongen Ferdinandes, dinyatakan memenangkan duelnya atas Cairo George, petinju dari Selandia Baru. Akhirnya, petinju Selandia Baru ini harus kehilangan gelarnya di IBO Asia Pasifik di kelas welter setelah ditaklukkan oleh petinju Indonesia Stevie Ongen Ferdinandes.